Today I want to show you how to get very cool weathering over this train wagon HO scale using the very simple steps. Hi guys, Nestor Espinosa here. Welcome to our workshop, Spray Gunner Scale Modeling Workshop. Today I want to talk about a couple products, very cool, designed by Atmo by Mick, and very helpful in all your projects. It's an aqua gloss clear and acrylic thinner. These couple products I'm used almost over my 90% of my scale modeling and my creation, because you can make a kind of barrier and protect your previously paint job before start with the all weathering steps. You can mix 50% aqua gloss clear and 50% acrylic thinner, and you can apply between 2 or 3 coats in your scale model before start with the all weathering process on it. You can apply over water-based paint jobs, over lacquers, over enamels, and they will protect to the next steps. And this is very good notice, because this is like a protection step before doing other stuff that you want to do, or like the final protect coat. It works very well too. Other interesting things about these products is the finish in your surface. It's not completely glossy finish, but it's not flat or matte finish. It's kind of satin, and this is the perfect finish of surface. If you will be apply any wash or any panel liner, the product will be run very cool over the surface. Well, this is the final result. I hope you like it, enjoy the process. We continue make more information, more content for you guys about all our products and all our stuff that we sell here in spraygunner.com. See you soon. Bye.